Good morning, everybody. My name is Ting Tong Ling, and this is the first day of lockdown, and I just want to check and see how everybody is. Now, you don't have to get bored. There's lots you can do. Over the next few days, weeks, months, I'm going to show you everything I'm doing. How about you show me the same? Take care, everybody. Love you from Ting Tong Ling. Well, it's been an exhausting day, running around trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to get ready, and before I have some dinner, I'm going to watch a movie on the computer. So everybody have a good night, stay safe. And remember, keep that social distancing. Don't go close, wash your hands, and take your shoes off before you come inside. Don't come inside after you've been walking around outside. Bye. Love you. Morning, everyone. Here we are, day 2 of isolation. And, not a bad morning. We had a little bit of rain. I had a good sleep, thank you. And today I think I might try and do some painting. Paint a picture. That's what I'll do. I'll paint a picture. You have a great day, everybody, and be safe, and stay home, and take care of each other. Love you. Bye. Morning, everyone. Whee! Whee! I thought I'd get up high and have a good look at what's going on out there. How's everyone today? Hope you're okay. Take care from Ting Tong Ling. Enjoy your day, be safe, and stay home. Bye. Yeah, hi everyone. It's day 3, and I promise, I haven't been out anywhere. But now I'm going to go for a little walk, and I thought I'd take you with me and show you. This is the lake. If you look, there's some fish. See the fish? We can go fishing and live on carp. Now, I'm going to walk down here. Whoop, I'm walking backwards. There we go. This is my exercise today. Oh, watch out for the branch. I don't mind branches because I can swing on them. So what have you all been doing today? I hope you're enjoying this walk with me. I want you to share your videos with me too. I want to see what you've been doing. Okay? And the kids too. Hi kids, how are you? Remember Monkey? Ting Tong Ling? Yeah, from down by Milky Village. That's me. So here we go. I'm walking. Oh, I haven't walked so far for so long. I normally swing in the trees. Whee! Down here there's ducks. Look, ducks out there. And look, there's ducks, if you look. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to take you and show you the beautiful flowers that grow in the pond. Lovely. Oh, and some more flowers here. They smell beautiful. I wish you were here with me. Oh, you hear the ducks flying away. Here we go. Whoop. What a beautiful... I can smell the flowers. Beautiful. Now I want everyone to stay safe and everyone to stay home, because I need to see you all again. So please, stay home, be safe. Whoop. Quack, quack, quack. They all flew away. Come back, ducky. Oh no. What do I do? Now I've only got you. Please reply to me. Say hi. Love you. Wow, look at those flowers. Beautiful. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Now, I want you to send me some messages and tell me how you're going and what you're doing. And I'm just going to go and sit down here and relax in the sunshine. And then I'm going to go and eat some nuts for dinner. Bye everybody. Love you. Take care. Be safe and stay home. Okay? Stay home. And wash those hands. Everyone, wash your hands. Bye. Bye-bye. Whee! Whee! Wow, I love this in the trees. Whee! Come on, guys. Have a good night. Take care. Bye. And wash your hands. And stay home. Just like me. Bye. Look, everybody. Look at that beautiful flower I found. Isn't it lovely? Oh, beautiful. Oh, I wish you were here. But anyway, I want to say good night and take care. Wash those hands, stay home, and take care of each other. Please take care of each other. Love you. Ding dong ling. Bye. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone today? It's a beautiful day. I hope everyone's happy and sitting at home. Just wanted to say good morning. Later today I'm going to share something really special to you. And hey kids, why don't you send me pictures? Do some drawings, do some paintings. I want to see them. Come on guys, let's get together. Love ya. Bye from Ting Tong Ling. And today I'm going to mow the lawns. I hope everyone's okay. I'll talk to you after I finish the lawns, okay? Oh, they're getting very long. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you. Well, I'm glad that's over. I'm now going to go and have to have a shower. I hope you're finding something good to do today. Help Mum, help Dad, and have fun. Love you. Bye. There you go. I'm up here now. I'm going to check out the view, and oh, it's not a bad day. Beautiful. I'm getting the lawns done. And today I think I'll go and start doing some drawing or painting. Take care, everybody. Be safe. Keep your distance. Stay home. Love you. From Ting Tong Ling.